Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your rear seat occupant alert in the 2022 Kia Stinger. I have in front of me here a GT Elite all-wheel drive suede package in snow white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head into the 10.25-inch infotainment screen. We can either hit the setup button at the bottom under the vents here, or we can swipe the screen to the left and hit setup in the bottom right corner. We're going to go into vehicle. And then on the left-hand side here, we're going to scroll up and we're going to go down to convenience. And you'll see rear occupant alert is first on the list there. And right now it's check-marked on. So if we were to go turn the vehicle off and then open the door to go leave, it's just going to remind you to check your rear seats. So in the Stinger, this is just a reminder to check. There is no sonar to let you know somebody's moving in the vehicle afterwards. So if you didn't want it to do that, just going to start the car, close my door. Go back to vehicle, convenience, and I'm going to uncheck rear occupant alert. And now when I go to turn the vehicle off, it's not going to remind me to check the rear seats. And if you do want to have it on, just do not uncheck it and go ahead and use it. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.